All right, let's see if you guys can keep up with me. I know there are a lot of reaction. That's why you see quite a lot of practice together in here. Okay. Once you're done with this chapter, I highly recommend I'll post the practice and make sure you do all those. It will keep you help you familiar with this reaction and how they work. Okay. All right. The top one, what we got, this is the acid catalyzed hydration. So Kolmogornikov, watch out the rearrangement and the racemization. All right. So OH go on here. This is not a chiral center, so we're good. And next one is also adding water. Right. This is hydroboration oxidation. So this go anti-Markovnikov. No worries about the carbocation. Right. Watch out. So that's a chiral center. So you get two products there. Next one, this one eliminate the carbocation, so no rearrangement, so we're good on that. Kolmogornikov, so add water on to more substitute carbon. That one. This one is easy. It is just hydrogenation. Add on hydrogen on here. You don't get any chiral center, so this is fine. It's easy there, right? Alkene, go to alkene. Next one, all right, metachlorophyll benzoic acid. So you should make an epoxide ring first, right? This is an epoxide ring. And adding an acid, so we protonate this neutral epoxide to be a protonated form, which is reactive, and water will attack, open the ring at the more substitute carbon, so you get anti-addition of the alcohol. All right, but this carbon is not a chiral center, so I just keep it just regular line. Like that, right? But this one is chiral center, so you get both wedge and dash. Next one is just halogenation. So chlorine goes on here. Easy. This one, we have peroxide. So every time you add peroxide, it's called anti-Markovnikov, right? So take a look right here. Hydroboration and then peroxide. So kind of tell you, it's not really the mechanism, but something you can like keep like. What does it tell you? Just give you a hint on that. Okay, indicate that it will go anti-Markovnikov. Next one, we have bromine in nucleophilic solvent. So watch out. So firstly, you're gonna have a three-membered ring, bromonium ion first. But since the solvent is nucleophilic, so the solvent will go attack on the more substitute carbon. Okay, and you get two products there, bromine here. This one, carbon tetrachloride, is a non-nucleophilic solvent. So bromine is gonna form three-membered ring first, and then the other bromine attack to open the ring. So you get that. Right? The mechanism helps you. If you remember the mechanism, you're gonna be familiar with it. All the intermediate. Okay. All right, ozone. All right, ozone is fun. So cut the bond right here. So you should get acetone on the left side and then acetaldehyde on the right side. All right, acetone on the left side and acetaldehyde. Okay. Next one is osmium tetroxide. So this guy can approach alkene from the top and from the bottom, syn dihydroxylation. So you get OH on the same side. This is up and up, and then OH down and down. All right. Next one, potassium permanganate under basic condition and keep the temperature cold. Same thing with osmium tetroxide, syn dihydroxylation. Now, this is another peroxy acid besides the MCPPA, right? This is a peracetic acid. And so you form an epoxide ring, look like that, and then add acid to open the ring. So water attack that. Here we go. Anti-addition. Lastly, another type of ozonolysis, but under warm or high elevated temperature. So this one will oxidize aldehyde further. So this is the same compound. See that? These two are the same compound. So the initial cleavage or cut this bond, you're gonna get ketone and aldehyde, right? So you should get ketone and aldehyde. Look like that. And aldehyde get further oxidized to carboxylic acid. So ketone stay the same, doesn't do anything. Okay. All right, now, so the new segment of our podcast one more time, right? So that took a turn. Let's see what's going on. Conversation up. I am here for you. Thanks I'm going through a tough time, so it means a lot. And sorry, I lost all my contacts. Who is this? This is your Uber driver. I'm here to pick you up. Oh man. Oh man, that hurts. All right, next one. So this text to Josh. All right, so text to Josh. Hey, have you talked to Josh about asking me out yet? What? Oh, this girl's texting to Josh about asking me out. I think she's texting the wrong person. Hey, she's talking to Josh right now. Hey, have you asked you about asking me out yet? Oh my God, this is bad. So, okay, hey, have you talked to Josh about asking me out yet? This is Josh. And Josh said, hey, shit. That was meant to go to Jessica. Fuck my life. Sorry, that's really embarrassing. So, will you go out with me? Aw, Josh, the best guy. Oh my God, you're gonna marry him. Okay, all right, that's pretty cool. Let's take a turn. All right, guys. The last part of this chapter. Next video.